Hello, darling souls. Mindful souls again, as we have another Mindful Souls unboxing. This is the crystals only box, and this is the second video that I'm doing on that. The first, wow, that had a lot of really great stuff. So I'm excited to see what we have here today. Okay, so this is crystals only, no jewelry or incense or anything like that. Okay. Oh, so we have an affirmation for vitality. That's beautiful. I need this. My energy is limitless and always replenishing. How beautiful that is. Okay. And we have our crystal book. Comes with. So no sticker like what's in the other box, but it's okay because I haven't used any of the stickers that I collected when I was having that subscription for a few years. Okay, so crystal boosters. So this is for energy boosting. Your shot of espresso. Oh, this is exciting. I need this. Okay, looks pretty good. Let's see what we've got. Carnelian. Yeah, first one. Carnelian. We've all had mornings where getting out of bed feels like a Herculean task. That's where carnelian steps in. It's believed to be nature's alarm clock, gently coaxing you out of that just 5 more minutes mindset. But carnelian isn't just for morning blues. It can also come in handy for those mid-afternoon slumps when facing a mountain of laundry or when you need to push through a long project. Often described as a stone of motivation, carnelian is basically your go-to crystal when you need a boost of determination and vigor to get things done. Oh wow, that's really cool. So I'll put this next to the orange calcite I got last time because I need motivation to work out. So I'll put it in my area where I'm gonna work out. Okay, awesome. Big one, whatever it is. Pretty though. Again, it's a coated stone. It's not polished, so it's still rough hewn, but it's shiny, so it has some sort of coating. I think they do that to bring out the colors. But what is it? Amazonite. It must be. Okay. I've never seen it look like this before. So it's always been polished when I've seen it, and I love Amazonite. Okay. Ever feel like your thoughts are caught in a fog, making it hard to focus? Amazonite can help. This calming blue-green stone is known for gently clearing mental clutter, helping you find your center when life gets chaotic. This crystal isn't just about calming your mind, though. It's said to help you tap into a clearer, more focused kind of energy. Many people find that keeping Amazonite nearby helps them stay grounded and protected, even on those days when everything seems to be going sideways. Okay, that's cool. So it'd be great. If you meditate, you can put it in the area where you meditate so you stay focused. Or it would be great to have next to you while you're working. Cool. I'm excited about that. This is gorgeous. It's a palm stone. I love palm stones. They fit in your hands so nicely. Okay, it's called healer quartz. Ever wish you could bottle up a bit of sunshine on those days when your energy feels cloudy? That's where the healer quartz comes in. This radiant crystal with its warm glow is like a ray of light for your spirit when you're feeling drained or unmotivated. Many people find that keeping it nearby helps maintain a positive outlook even during stressful times. Whether you're working on personal growth, recovering from burnout, or simply need a boost in your daily routine, this stone is believed to help renew your sense of purpose and enthusiasm. Wow, it's cool. And I love the way they feel in your hands. And what's interesting is they say care and maintenance, and they give you other tips as well. Okay, 3 for 3. Next we have, okay, this is a bag full. I don't know if you can see it. It's a bag full of shungite, which is fantastic. I was needing it. I had a piece, so I keep my phone next to my bed, and I had a piece of shungite, but I don't know what happened to it. So here's a whole baggie full. This is so cool. So it blocks the energy from getting to you while you sleep. So if you have any electronics around your bed, put a piece of shungite, okay? Oh, wow, I have enough to share. This is really cool. Okay. What does it say? In our hyper-connected world, sometimes it feels like we're constantly running on empty. Enter shungite, known as a natural shield against energy-draining aspects of modern life. Shungite doesn't work like your average pick-me-up. Instead, it's said to act more like a filter, helping to block out the negative and amplify the positive. When you're feeling overwhelmed by the constant buzz of technology or the stress of daily life, shungite is believed to step in and clear the air. In other words, this crystal is not about giving you a sudden burst of energy, but rather about creating a clean slate that allows your natural vitality to shine through. Really cool. I mean, it kind of looks like lava. Let me take a piece out. Like I said, there's a whole bag. Okay. So it's already getting black on me. Gotta be careful with that, but very cool. Yeah, look, already. Okay. Oh, we have another tower again. That's so beautiful. Oh, my colors. Okay, it looks more turquoise, but it's azurite. It's got to have some of the deeper blue in there. So pretty. Azurite might not be the first crystal you think of for an energy boost, but don't let its calm blue appearance fool you. This stone keeps you energized by engaging your mind, helping you push through mental fatigue to stay productive. On one hand, azurite is known for stimulating intellectual curiosity, opening doors in your mind you didn't even know were there. Many people find with this crystal nearby, they start asking, what if? More often, leading to fresh ideas and a constant stream of motivation. But that's not all. Azurite is also said to sharpen concentration, problem-solving skills, and make decisions more easily. Decisions. It should be decisions. Anyways, I need help editing. But isn't that gorgeous? Wow. Okay. Okay. Okay, one more. Last but not least, oh, she's so pretty. Oh, it's a sodalite angel. Oh, that's so beautiful. Okay, the best way to keep your energy up is by staying focused. Think of sodalite as a tool to help you sharpen your thoughts and organize your priorities. As it enhances mental clarity, this stone helps you focus on the tasks and goals that truly matter, ensuring your energy is directed where it's most needed. Sodalite is also known for promoting assertive communication. As you get more comfortable expressing yourself and standing up for what you believe in, you'll find it easier to protect your emotional energy. Wow. Okay. That's so beautiful. I love angels. How pretty. Okay, once again, we are 6 for 6. This is the same price as the other Mindful Souls subscription box. So it's $39.95 and it's crystals only. And again, this is 6 for 6. So this is a really good value. Stay well and blessings.